Bollywood superstar Ranbir Kapoor is once again stealing hearts, this time, not for his powerful on-screen performances, but for a heartwarming act of kindness in real life. The animal actor recently lent a helping hand to an injured woman at the airport, proving that his charm goes far beyond the silver screen. The incident took place at Delhi's T3 terminal, where a woman, traveling alone after a fracture, shared her experience on social media. She praised the airline staff and wheelchair attendants for their support throughout her journey. However, it was a chance encounter with Ranbir Kapoor near the security checkpoint that truly made her day. In her heartfelt tweet, she wrote, "Traveling alone after the fracture at T3. The wheelchair system worked very well. Thanks to airline staff and wheelchair attendants and unexpected help from Ranbir Kapoor, whom I met near the security checking point. Thanks at IMRK official for your kind gesture." The tweet quickly gained attention, with fans flooding social media with praise for the actor's humility. One fan wrote, "Ek hai ta dil hai Ranbir bhai aur kitne baar jitoge," which translates to, "Ranbir, you have one heart, and you keep winning it over and over again." Others recalled similar moments where Ranbir displayed quiet acts of kindness. Another fan noted, "He has been like this since forever. Good vibes, kindness, no lafda. No wonder makers chose him to play Lord Ram." On the professional front, Ranbir Kapoor has a busy and exciting lineup ahead. He will next be seen in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's highly anticipated period drama Love and War alongside his wife Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal. The film, reportedly inspired by the classic Sangam, is set to release in March next year. Additionally, Kapoor is gearing up for the mythological epic Ramayana, where he will portray Lord Ram. Fans are also eagerly awaiting the sequel to Animal, which promises another intense performance from the actor. Ranbir Kapoor continues to show that true stardom isn't just about box office hits, but also about humility, compassion, and doing the right thing, even when no cameras are rolling. Bollywood filmmaker Sandeep Reddy Vanga, known for his controversial films, is back in the spotlight. This time, it's not just about Animal. His upcoming project Spirit starring Prabhas and Tripti Dimri is making waves, but not for the reasons you'd expect. Fans were eagerly waiting to see Deepika Padukone join the film, but recently, news broke that Tripti Dimri has replaced Deepika as the female lead. And, let's just say, fans didn't take it well. Here's the twist. Tripti Dimri recently liked a social media post that exposed the negative PR and false narratives about Deepika Padukone. The reel, featuring celebrity sari draper Dolly Jain, praised Deepika's dedication and resilience during the Nagada Sang Dhol shoot for Golio Ki Raslila Ramlila. Jain shared how Deepika worked barefoot, enduring pain and injury without a single complaint. It was a simple like from Tripti, but it set the internet on fire, especially since it seemed to contradict the growing online negativity around Deepika's exit from Spirit. Sources say the tension between Deepika and Vanga started when she requested an 8-hour workday, limiting her time on set. This led to accusations of being unprofessional. But things took a turn when Deepika reportedly demanded a whopping 20 crore rupees fee and a share of the film's profits. Sandeep Reddy Vanga didn't hold back. He took to Instagram and Twitter to slam dirty PR games, saying, "When I narrate a story to an actor, I place 100% faith. There is an unsaid NDA between us. But by doing this, you've disclosed the person that you are." He continued, "Putting down a younger actor and ousting my story? Is this what your feminism stands for?" He went on to say, "As a filmmaker, I put years of hard work behind my craft, and for me, filmmaking is everything. You didn't get it. You won't get it. You will never get it. ऐसा करो. अगली बार पूरी कहानी बोलना, क्योंकि मुझे जर भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता." #DirtyPregames. I like this कहवात very much. खुंदक में बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. Spirit remains one of the most anticipated films of the year, but with all the drama unfolding behind the scenes, it looks like the movie will be just as talked about for the off-screen chaos as for the story itself. What do you think about all this? Is this the kind of drama you expect before a film release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Comedian Samay Raina grabbed all the attention at the star-studded premiere of Aryan Khan's much-anticipated debut show The Bads of Bollywood, not for his jokes, but for his bold fashion statement. The comedian showed up wearing a t-shirt that read, "Say no to cruise," sparking laughs and chatter both online and at the venue. The cheeky slogan, possibly a witty nod to Aryan Khan's past controversies, turned heads immediately. Now, dancer-actor Raghav Juyal has revealed how everyone at the event, including Shah Rukh Khan and Aryan, reacted to the unexpected outfit choice. Speaking on a podcast, Raghav shared, "He showed up there wearing that t-shirt, and everyone is laughing. Aryan's laughing, the crowd's laughing, the whole place is cracking up. But of course, he can pull it off, that's just the kind of person he is. We couldn't do that even if we tried." He was roaming around the entire party flaunting that t-shirt proudly, showing it off to everyone. He further added, he was doing that right in front of everyone. When asked about Shah Rukh Khan's reaction, Raghav said that even the superstar couldn't stop laughing. "You know, for Sir, everyone's like his own kid. He treats them all like his son." Photos from the event had earlier gone viral, showing Aryan Khan posing with his friends and Samay Raina. While Aryan opted for a classic and sleek look, Samay's humorous t-shirt stole the show, reflecting his signature fearless comedic style. Fans online praised Raina's confidence, with many calling it a legendary move and peak Samay Raina energy. His playful dig, delivered with a smile and worn with pride, added a quirky twist to what was otherwise a glitzy and formal affair. The premiere of The Bads of Bollywood marked a significant moment for Aryan Khan as he steps into the entertainment industry not as an actor, but as a creator and director. The presence of family, friends, and celebrities made it a night to remember, one that will now be remembered not only for the show's debut but also for a t-shirt that made the entire red carpet laugh. For most actors, love blooms on movie sets, but for Thandel star Naga Chaitanya, it all began with a simple emoji on Instagram. Yes, you heard that right. Naga Chaitanya recently opened up about his love story with actress Sobhita Dhulipala, revealing how their beautiful journey started with a comment on one of his Instagram posts. "We met on Instagram. I never imagined I would meet my partner there. I was familiar with her work. One day, when I posted about Shoyu, she commented with an emoji. I began chatting with her, and soon after, we met," Chaitanya shared with a smile. The couple surprised fans last year with engagement photos in August 2024, followed by a dreamy wedding in December at Annapurna Studios, built by Chaitanya's grandfather, the legendary Akkineni Nageshwar Rao. During a fun rapid-fire round, when asked to name one thing he can't live without, Naga replied instantly, "Sobhita, my wife." He even shared a funny moment from his first 100 crore rupees hit Thandel. "She was angry with me because of the song, Bujji Talli. It's actually the nickname I have given her. She thought I had asked the director to use it in the film. She didn't talk to me for a few days, but why would I do that?" he laughed. In a past interview, Chaitanya said, "We are always looking for little pockets of time to squeeze in a holiday or chill together." Sobhita added, "He was clear-headed, even-keeled, and optimistic. At that point, I was also at a place in my head where I could see that I was ready to give and to receive. The timing was just perfect. We love eating, and not just a little. We really bond over South Indian." From an emoji to a forever bond, Naga and Sobhita's love story proves that sometimes, the simplest moments can lead to the most beautiful beginnings. Actor Anna Kumra, who recently got eliminated from the reality show Rise and Fall, is making headlines, but unfortunately, not for a happy reason. The actress revealed that after leaving the show, she started receiving death and threats from fans of Bhojpuri star Pawan Singh, who was also a part of the show earlier. During the show, Anna had made a remark about Singh, but later, both of them apologized to each other on stage and cleared the air. However, it seems that some fans were not ready to let it go. In a recent interview, Anna opened up about the shocking experience. She said, "Jab main show se bahar nikli, then I got a lot of death threats and rape threats. I even sent screenshots to the makers showing the kind of threats I was receiving. So why was I getting such threats? मैंने तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कही थी. मैंने ना किसी को गाली दी थी शो में, ना ही कुछ और." Expressing disbelief, she added, "It happened to me, and I was like, oh wow, हम लोग कौन से जमाने में रह रहे हैं, किस सदी में है कि मेरी एक बात कहने पर मुझे इतने थ्रेट्स मिल रहे हैं, इतनी चीजें मेरा बारे में बोली जा रही है, पर किसी और को कुछ नहीं कहा जा रहा." The actress further shared that while some fans may have taken her words negatively, she now holds high regard for Pawan Singh. She said, "Today, I hold him in high regard, क्योंकि बहुत कंटेस्टेंट्स ने मेरे बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा और आज तक सॉरी नहीं बोला। पवन जी एक ऐसे प्लेस से आते हैं जहां से मैं भी हूं. We both are from Lucknow." Ahana also revealed that both of them had sorted out their differences on stage. जब मेरी और उनकी सुलह हो गई थी, उन्होंने मुझे सॉरी बोला, मैंने भी उनको सॉरी बोला स्टेज पे, and we ended it there. So जब हम दोनों ने वो बात खत्म कर दी, लोगों को भी वो बात खत्म कर देनी चाहिए थी. बट ठीक है, I understand कि लोग गुस्सा हो जाते हैं और उन्हें लगता है कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा कह दिया जो उन्हें बुरा लगा. Meanwhile, Pawan Singh is also in the news for his ongoing issues with his wife, Jyoti Singh.
आज आप लोगों के कहने पे, सिर्फ समाज के कहने पे मैं यहाँ पे आई थी, ये दिन दिखने के लिए आई थी. अब अगर आप लोग अभी भी इंसाफ नहीं करेंगे तो आप लोगों से कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, और इसी घर में जहर खा के मरूंगी मैं. इस घर से लास्ट जाएगा मेरा, ये लास्ट बार मैं कह के जा रही हूँ. तब कैंडल लेके मत निकलिएगा. आप लोगों को कोई राइट नहीं है कि कैंडल लेके निकलेंगे. आप लोग किसी बेटी को कुछ होता है तो कोई राइट नहीं है कि अगर जीते जी सही गलत का फैसला आप लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं.
Despite the online hate, Ahana's calm and composed response shows her strength, choosing peace over controversy.